Corn update. It is 10:14 a.m. Eastern Time, November 29th. The model's saying it's too late for level 3 bottom. We probably had it correct that the level 3 bottom was at the start of last week, and the trend is down into next week. Now, the market is quite oversold, so it's possible it puts the brake on, really doesn't go much lower. But keep in mind the objective range to as low as 444, and the weekly chart looks ugly. It's broken through that economic level of a support line going all the way back into summer. I wouldn't rule it out speeding lower, actually, and not stopping at 444 or higher. But it is oversold enough that maybe it can stall out here. But generally, this doesn't look like a week to buy corn. And as we look over to the soybean market, all we have is evidence that it's pulling back for level 4. We don't know. Is it going to take out the low of the week or last week, whichever's lowest price, and extend a level 3 trend lower? Be a little concerned that if they can't get the bullish news out of Brazil, and maybe soybeans just doesn't have enough on its own here and might want to follow corn a bit lower, but I think it does have some relative strength and it can hang in there somewhat. So, not looking the best there, but it's just not giving us any indication of whether to be really bearish beans. But keep in mind that larger trend that I'm going to show you tomorrow in the weekly update, that maybe it's just over and done with. And December's a down month for corn and soybeans, or at least difficult to rally. Now, in the wheat market, it's still holding on to its strength, and the corn market's paying no attention to it, so not a good sign for corn. And but I think the wheat market is probably going to settle back, might get more in line with corn, but I think it's low enough priced. And I kind of feel that way for all these markets. They're kind of low priced here, but later on, that larger trend can kick into some downsides, even more so in the soybeans, perhaps. So I'll explain that better and show it to you tomorrow. But just keep in mind, it's iffy here in the soybeans. Is the level 3 trend up? For the moment, best call is that it is, but it may just be stability and range trade. Whereas have greater confidence of saying, hey, the level 3 trend is down still, and probably safer to assume it's going lower in the next week. Maybe we'll get the worst out of the way this week, and then next week's low is near this week's low or just a little higher. Could get that kind of scenario here, especially if they beat it hard. I think that's what will occur. And then in the wheat market, I think we've probably found the lowest price, just haven't found the business cycle low, meaning there probably is some supply out there. And I think I'll have to backpedal after this jump here a little bit. So hopefully I explained that well enough to you. Again, hey, it's the mushy time of year. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. Have a great day. Thank you.